Hey guys, I wanted to show you my worm composting bucket inside one of my garden beds. So this is my garden bed, and I took one of these buckets, it's not a very big one, and I drilled holes that start here and go all the way down. And I add scraps to this, and leaves and straw and sticks, and I water it, and the worms come up naturally. And look what they create. See all that black stuff? That's all castings. And they do this naturally. I added some sawdust that I had left over from a project. And they like it. I've emptied this out twice already. So look, I have some leftover bok choy that I'm not going to use. So I'm just going to throw that in there. Let's get the bok choy in there. And then I'll take I don't know, some of this, and I'll cover it. Take some straw, cover it. Then I'll water it a little bit, cover it up, and leave it alone. And the worms come, and they eat it all, they have at it. Then I put my hand in there, harvest it out, and I just sprinkle it in the bed, or use it in some plants I might have around the garden that need a little extra fertilizing. That's a great tip. You guys should try it.